So we are in Des Moines, Iowa, and we're staying at the Embassy Suites Hotel by Hilton. This is probably one of the best hotels I've stayed at that is situated around so many things. Another perk is they don't have parking, but right across the street is this parking garage, $1 an hour, and it maxes out at $10. So you can park here all day, $10 for parking. You can't beat that. Now from this hotel, you're less than a mile away from the Botanical Gardens, the Asian Gardens, Papa John's Sculpture Park, the American Dream Machines, the Capitol Building. The Capitol Building is like right there. And if you are in the street at night when there's no cars coming, or first thing in this morning like what we did, you have a straight shot to the Capitol, and it's just such a beautiful building lit up at night. So I really recommend you do that. But the farmers market, which is on Saturdays here, just 2 blocks down. The food laureate, 2 blocks down. Principal Park, less than a mile from here. Right behind the hotel, over here along the river, is an amphitheater. There's just so much to do right here. So let's go check out the Embassy Suites. Every morning from 7 to 10, they offer a complimentary breakfast. It's a hot breakfast. They even have an egg station so you can have omelets made the way you want. And then in the afternoons, starting I think at 5:30, they have a manager's happy hour with complimentary snacks and drinks. So we're in room 333, and right as soon as you come off the elevator, we're like 2 doors away. Now they do have ice machines here as well. So let's go check out the room.